Hi guys, today we're going to play some slime that's in this box, like right here. Look how big that box is. We'll get our first one out. I want to show you the most coolest one, but we have to go through. So look there. Ooh, look at this, guys. You know, there's like alien and stars in it. Let's open it. Whoa. I kind of feel like this is dried. Guys, look at this slime. This is cool. Kind of hard to stretch. If you don't believe me, then come to my house. Okay? So, like, how sticky is this? I think it's too much. Alright. Let's play again. Let's put this right here. Alright guys, let's get our next one out the box. There's like some balls. So let's close my eyes. Ooh, I got a yellow. Guys, which one do you think it's gonna be? Ew, I don't like this slime. Pretty sure I have like slime like this, right? Oh yeah, I do. What? Alright guys, watch when I do this. What the? Okay. But just... Have you seen my dog over there? Brutus. Well, I'm trying to get this slime out, but it's kind of hard. Okay. Oh. What the heck is this? What the heck is this slime? This isn't a slime, this is slime balls. Okay, I'll give this one out of 0 because I don't like this one. Alright, let's get the next one. Some of them might have like clown ones. Guys, look at this. Butter slime. Alright, let's see. That's so nice. Guys, look at this. It's so huge, guys. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. Alright. Let's put it back on. You know, my auntie's coming over today, and I'm really happy because she might make me really happy. Let's just move them out of the way and then put them right here, okay? I'm just seeing if I close them properly. It's like sometimes I can't. I'm just gonna choose one out of the box. Guys, look at this. It is. the clown Play-Doh. Are you kidding me? Me and my sister used to do this, but we did this yesterday. Oh my gosh. Oh, it feels really nice. Clown, this is my favorite. Okay, but why am I getting distracted? So far, I found yours. Stuck them here. And that's the first top one what we got. Second top. Alright, let's see. Guys, we got the first one what I did and my sister, but we didn't see you doing this. Watch. Slimy. It's, guys, do you know what it says? Slimy, yeah. Look at that. It smells gross though, but also really wet. I wonder why it's wet. Oh. Stuck on my, guys, stuck on my hand. Look at that. Ugh. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Need the tissue. Brutus, what are you doing? Wait there, guys. Wait.
It's okay, he's playing.
I'm just getting my hands washed. Can you go get me a towel?
I will speak so you're used to this.
Okay. Sorry about that. I just need something more.
So you need to speak with them.
Okay. Like, I'm gonna get a tissue now because it's so slimy on me. I didn't put it so down.
Can you go 10 more minutes, yeah?
Okay. And guys, I haven't done all the slime. So when I make another video, you might see the other slime, okay? Any slime like this or this can go there. Wait, no, that's... Okay, let's put that there. Alright, let's pick one out. Oh, guys, there's one. I think this one's gonna be like that. It's kind of melted there, but it's kind of like so so cool. Like, guys, look at this. Wait, guys. Watch. This one's melted there. Guys, did you hear that? Are you guys farting? Oh wait, it's just a slime. Alright. This one's like that. Oh, we got another one. This one's totally going to be like the blue. I mean, like I think that's like a blue one. Look, guys. What colour do you think this is? Pink? Or like something else? Guys, are you serious? Like, oh my God. It's so windy outside. I can't understand the windness. 1 second. How are we gonna get this out? Oh, we did. You can see the pie is like perfect there. And like, look at this. Ew, that looks like a tongue that's going down. Wait, I forgot. So that's it for today. Now we have done 7 slimes that I showed you. If you wanna see more, then don't forget to follow. So then you can see more slimes that you want to see in this bag. Bye guys.